I was just saying something about a big screen, wasn't I?
Yeah, you were. Oh, this is
Oh,
great.
I wish I was that
This
flexible.
is
Ooh, that's
cool. Wow.
That's the sunset.
Looks like flames.
Like
I don't know.
What you call it?
By the way, this paper's worth $20.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
You might feel like you're back in Texas.
That's the best looking bullfighter I ever seen.
Lights on this water.